Next, we're gonna remove all this panel right here in order to get to the window regulator, which is on the back. First, we need to disconnect all these cables. That's the airbag. That's an impact sensor. Over here, you can just simply pull that wire harness out. You disconnect the speaker, and all the way up here, which you don't see, is the side mirror. Next, we need to remove the speaker. Speaker. Once you do that, we have several 10mm bolts that need to come out. We'll go ahead and remove the window regulator motor as well. And right here is where the window regulator is mounted. Right there, and down here. If you can see, so because we left the window all the way up, we wouldn't be able to remove this. But what we need to do is you need to put the switch back on, reconnect the switch, make sure you have the airbag sensor connected as well, otherwise your airbag light will turn on, and lower the window down. And once you do that, you should be able to remove this this panel, and with the window regulator on the back. Then the glass has a bolt right up here, which you don't see right now, but that is what holds the glass. And then once you remove that, you should be able to replace that whole window regulator.